So we are used to Texas cities making money's best places to live list. And today we're going to explore the #1 city for job growth. And we're talking Round Rock, Texas. Hello, my name is Dana Pollard and I'm a real estate agent in Texas, and my team helps you narrow down where to live in this big state. In fact, you can schedule a one-on-one consultation with one of my great agents that we have personally selected for their like values as well as their work ethic, and they negotiate really well too. So fill out the Dream Home questionnaire in the link below to schedule your one-on-one free consultation. And thank you for doing so, because by working with one of our team members, you help me to be able to make more videos and content for you. And by the way, we do have agents in Austin, Dallas, Fort Worth, San Antonio, and in Houston. So if you're looking in one of those places, fill out the Dream Home questionnaire and we will get you hooked up. Round Rock is a suburb of Austin, about 30 minutes north, and the population is at about 143,000 people. Now listen, I've been to Round Rock and I love it. The first time I went through, I was like, what's the big to do about Round Rock? The second time I was there, I was like, whoa, this is the big to do. Round Rock is located right off Interstate 35 that goes north and south, and so it does make for an easy commute to Austin. And this area is a tech haven and is home to Dell, but it also has some rich history as well. Back in the 1850s, settlers moved here, and yes, there's an actual Round Rock. And this Round Rock formation on Brushy Creek, it's a marker along the famous Chisholm Trail for cattle and wagons to cross. And there's a neat park nearby which focuses on the history. Which leads me to the historic buildings in Round Rock. They are so cute, this little downtown area. There's a lot of stonework on the buildings.
So we're in downtown Round Rock area, and some of these buildings were built in the late 1800s.
This is such a great family-friendly community, great hangout spot, especially for date night.
Well, there's some saloons, and you can definitely have some fun times down here.
We can have some good times at the saloons. We're definitely in Texas now. And there's a lot of restaurants and shops and even a couple of saloons, believe it or not. And one of these restaurants just around the corner is what I call a donut heaven, and it's famous for their Round Rock donuts. So if you think about that Chick-fil-A line around the whole building, this donut shop, I was there at 1:30 p.m. and there was a line galore just for Texas donuts.
Sure, Dana?
That's us.
Yes.
Here, guys.
Thank you so much.
Thank
These are hot. Like they're fresh out of the oven. Whoa.
Gotta try by.
You have to have a bite. And that's so good.
Oh my, that melts in your mouth.
This is probably the best donut I've ever had.
Oh, this is great.
Okay, so there's a lot of shopping here at Round Rock as well. There's the Premium Outlet Mall just on the interstate, and it's a great place to find that new outfit and shop for the holidays with 125 stores to choose from. Also, Round Rock does have IKEA, one of 5 in Texas. And besides being known for their donut shop, Round Rock claims to be the sports capital of Texas. And I can see why, but I would say Little League sports capital, because there's a plethora of opportunities for your kids to play sports in Round Rock. And they have I think it's the minor league. I don't know. Nolan Ryan developed a lot of this Round Rock area. But as you know, if you want pro sports, you gotta go to Dallas. That's the place. But Dell Diamond, it's home to the AAA Roundrock Express, and that's the baseball facility that's up the street from the 640-acre park called Old Settlers Park. It took us like 10 minutes to drive through the whole park. It seemed to go on for an eternity. The park is huge and it has baseball fields, softball, football, soccer, volleyball, disc golf course, fishing, and several playgrounds. So the park there has plenty of shade with trees, great place to hang out with the family. Roundrock is also known for the new Kalahari Resort. And guys, this is an African-styled hotel with the largest indoor water park. And let me just say, this place was amazing. And I've been to Great Wolf Lodge, which is in Grapevine, and I felt like this Kalahari Resort took the cake. It was even better than Great Wolf Lodge, which I think Great Wolf Lodge is amazing. And now that you love all those things to do and want to move here, let's talk a little bit about housing. You have both the older neighborhoods as well as the new neighborhoods in Round Rock, giving you a variety of housing choices. And I'd say Round Rock is a very typical middle-class type suburb, and they really focus in on the family environment. But someone did ask if it's a good place for singles, and I do want to say it's a great place for singles as well, because there's a lot of hangout places, that you can go meet other people. It's a good hangout place. Now again, talking about families, let's talk about the schools. They rank within the top 8% of Texas schools for test scores, and it's a large school district and a very good one. The graduation rate is like 97%, so it's very, very good. And if you remember that Round Rock is #1 for job growth in the US, it's also ranked number 25 for the best places to live in our nation. So Round Rock has very convenient shopping and dining options. It's also fairly close to Austin and all the things that you can do in Austin, and it's one of the top for jobs, and more jobs. Thanks again for watching, and don't forget to fill out the Dream Home Questionnaire in the link below to set up your free one-on-one consultation. Thanks for watching. Are you looking to move up in Texas? Well, you may be saying, Dana, what's the next step? Well, hey, let's meet on Zoom. Whether it's a $200,000 home or a $20 million home, the next step is to fill out the appropriate questionnaire at danapollardgroup.com. When you fill out the Dream Home Questionnaire, you will paint a picture for me and my team of what you want, both in a home as well as a community. Or if you have a house to sell in Texas, fill out the Sell My House questionnaire so you can learn about the exclusive benefits of listing with me. And after you share your favorite snack and push the submit button, an email will be sent to schedule your consultation call with one of my top amazing real estate experts. And you can also meet me on my Texas Tuesday Zoom call and ask me anything you like about moving up in Texas. This is a live call and attendance is limited, so go right now to danapollardgroup.com to get started.